Hello everyone and welcome to another weekly update. My name is Mr. Crypto Tracker and I'm going to talk about some important charts in crypto space, especially I will talk about Bitcoin, I will talk about stablecoin dominance, and also I will talk about ADA Cardano and polkadot. So stay with me until the end of this video. Before we start this video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel if you didn't do it so far, and also turn the notification bell on to get notified when a new video comes. Okay, let's start with Bitcoin. If you watched my previous weekly updates, definitely you can remember this chart I showed you before. This is Bitcoin in weekly time frame. And I talked about this important resistance area around $12,800 to $14,200. And also we talked about this orange line, which is the December range low, December 2020, which is a very important price level. And also we talked about this resistance area, which is the first resistance Bitcoin price will be challenged if it wants to see the higher prices. Okay, let's take a quick look at Bitcoin and see what's happened over the last 3 weeks. Here you can see we have a very nice trend line, and the price broke this trend line to the upside. And also here, this area, let me draw a box here. This area was a good support for us and for the price. And you can see price makes a very perfect bottom here. At least it's a bottom for the short term. And price broke the trend line to the upside, and here the first resistance in the weekly time frame would be this red line here around $22,800, almost $800. We should see how the price will react to this first resistance, but the important resistance in weekly time frame is this area around $25,400. So let's go to the lower time frame, to the daily time frame, and see how it looks like in lower time frames. Again, you can see a very nice, let me delete these box. You can see a very nice area here. We can call it a bullish order block in daily time frame. I think the price can come back and retest this order block here, but you should be prepared to see higher prices from here. Like probably Bitcoin can go to this level, and after that it's so possible to see a downtrend here to retest this bullish order block here, and then it continues its upward moves. So if you entered in any of these areas, here would be a very important area for you. If price drops below this green box, then our analysis and our view towards the seeing higher prices will be invalidated. So let me draw a red line here, and let me put a text: invalidation level. So this is our invalidation level. Yeah, okay, invalidation level. Okay, so as far as the price is above this invalidation level, we can expect to see higher prices. But if the price drop below these red lines, our view will be invalidated, and we should look for short setups, and we can expect to see the price drops to these important buys. Let me go back to the weekly time frame, to this area, the $12,800. So please manage your risk if you are in any long trades or if you bought in a spot, and always keep it in your mind. In this market and in general in financial markets, the most important element is risk management. I will record a video on risk management in the coming weeks, and I will upload it in YouTube. But also I have a very comprehensive course on risk management, especially risk management for traders in financial markets. You can find the link in the description. I upload that course in Udemy website. You can go there, and you can also watch the first 2 episodes for free. Then you can better decide whether that course is good for you or not. I will put the link in the description. Okay, this is for Bitcoin. Let's go to the stablecoin index dominance. We talked about this channel for a long time. If you watched my previous videos, definitely you can remember this channel. And in the last video, we talked about this support and these resistant areas. And I said, if this support can hold and shows a good reaction to the upside, then we can see another leg to the downside in the market, and especially in Bitcoin. But if this area cannot hold the index and it results in a drop, then we can expect more higher prices for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, other like altcoins. And also let's take a look at the Tether. This is let me go to I will talk about the Tether dominance. Yeah, this is the Tether dominance in weekly. We talked about this channel, and in daily time frame, these 2 boxes were so important for us, and we talked about it. And as you can see, this red box was a resistant area. It breaks it to the upside, then retests, and it acts as a support now. But you can see it's going to break the support to the downside, and if that happened, the leg to the upside in the market will be confirmed, and we can expect much more higher prices for Bitcoin. Okay, and by the way, let me talk about a very important thing. I have a Telegram channel. This is my channel on Telegram. I will put the link in the description. You can join this channel. It's absolutely free. And this is the place where I usually share my setups with my friends and my members. Excuse me. And it would be good to join to this group. At least you can see what trades I take during the weeks, and also I share my long-term views here. On November 1st, I shared this polkadot chart and also the ADA Cardano charts, and I said this area would be a good buying area for like mid-term to long-term. So let's go back to the charts and talk about these 2 important charts. Okay, here this is Bitcoin. Let's go to ADA first. This is ADA Cardano. Let's start from a weekly time frame. Here, this red line was the previous all-time high, which was in April 2018, and you can see the price dropped below the previous all-time high, and it quickly recovered, and now the price is above this previous all-time high, which is a good sign. And in weekly time frame, the most important resistant area is this red line around 70, almost 75 cents. But if we go to lower time frame, on daily time frame, excuse me, on daily time frame, we have these important areas here. This is a very important daily daily bullish order block here, and also we have another order block in this area. I entered to this trade at this price around 40 cents, and I put this setup in my Telegram channel. But here, the first important resistance on daily time frame is this area I showed you. If the price can manage to break this area to the upside, and then we can expect a pullback to this area, then probably a nice move to the upside. And in daily time frame, the next important resistance level would be the 50 to 52 cents. And if the price can manage to break this resistance to the upside, then we can expect another leg to the upside to 65 cents or even to 70 cents area. So let's see what will happen in the coming week. And also we know in the coming week we have a few important economical data, and those data can affect the market. So for now, I entered in this level and put my stop loss below this level, and probably on Monday I will move the stop loss to the break even. I should see how the price will react to this area. If it can break the area to the upside, then I will put the stop loss on my entry point. I will update this chart on my Telegram channel, so it would be nice to join my channel. This is for Cardano, and let's go to Polkadot. Here we are in Polkadot in weekly time frame. We have a very important bullish order block here in the weekly time frame, and the price shows a nice reaction around this box. And here in the weekly time frame, we can say the first important resistance would be this red line around $9.70, and the most important resistance would be this line here around $14. So let's go to daily time frame and see what's happened in daily time frame. This is the daily time frame. We have these relatively long-term bearish trend line. The price broke this trend line to the upside with a very strong candle. As you can see, this is a very strong candle, and also it formed a bullish order block here in this area. After a pullback, it starts another leg to the upside, and I entered to this trade here and shared this setup in my Telegram channel as I showed you. And here the first target for me to take some profit is this area, which is around $8. And if it can manage to break this area to the upside, then the next target would be around $9.70 to $10. So this is for short term, and I will take some profit on the way to the upside, and let's see what will happen. So this is for this video. In the coming videos, I will share some video about technical analysis, where I will talk about a few important technical analysis points which can be super helpful to you, especially in these markets, because if you take a look at most of the charts, you can see those charts drops at least 80% from the all-time high, and it would be a good area to to buy back. And of course you should follow your risk management, and also you have to divide your capital into different parts, and if the price drops to the lower area, you still have some money to buy. For example, here for Polkadot, you can see here would be another area. If the price drops from here, this area would be a good price to buy back. If you sell your bag here after this invalidation level we just talked, it can be a good area. So if you go through other charts, you can see the same pattern. For example, let's take a look at Phantom, and you can see the same pattern here. It dropped, let's say, yeah, more than 90%. Take a look at the link. Dropped 83%, and all the other charts are the same. Like this is the Coty, and see, yeah, 84%, and it would be a nice area to buy. And also I will share a video and different strategy. I will have another playlist on my YouTube channel. It will be about trading setups, and I will start that playlist with a very important setup that would be very helpful in this range area. It would give you a very nice entry for the long terms if you look at the market in the long term. So stay tuned, join my Telegram channel, and also please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. Have a good weekend and see you on the next video.